Performing Country Award on behalf of the entire delegation of the Philippines.
And they will not just receive a trophy from Globe, they will also receive a trophy from TFP Little Scientist Academy, sponsored by Dr. Lamsay. Proudly representing the Philippines.
Wala pa kayong mga kamay dyan. Let's find out if who will get later.
The I will see top
Performing
country.
Alright, we'll find out. Thank you so much. Well done.
Once again, congratulations. You truly have inculcated your nation's culture and tradition of excellence. In all these congratulations. And we are done for our
running. Making sure that the boy is on the stand.
Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2.
Mr. Probably did it doctor now.
We'll find out.
Are you ready?
To the third Last primary 2 runners. Congratulations, Jin Aishi Laliba. Please come up the stage. Bernardo from the Philippines. And I am Valin Isanpuan from Thailand. The Diamond awardee from Primary 6, the only awardee.
Congratulations to
And you know, thank you very much. Bronze,
silver, and gold medallions.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the awardees for International Science Olympiad Competitions of Southeast Asia. Let's begin with bronze medalists. Primary 1, bronze medalist. Congratulations to
The Nachport Libratana Puchay from Thailand.
We would like to request our participants to move fast in the
Ay.
Asan sa GC?
Ning. Yan. Awarding. Let's go na. Ganda-ganda.
Lipstick, foundation, blush.
Okay, one. Tingin dito sa camera.
Baba na kayo. Bye. Dito na kami.
Ay, minute tanong mo, walang occupied, hindi occupied yung tatlo na yan. I don't know.
In Bulgaria.